Hello Nursery! This week we're going to practice making some shapes and we're going to use those shapes to see if we can make a bird. We need to do some cutting and some sticking and some colouring. I hope you have fun! First we're going to make a big circle. I'm going to use a bowl to do this. Now I need to make a smaller circle, so I'm going to use a glass. And two even smaller circles, so I think the glue stick will be good for this one. Now it's time to colour them in. I'm going to colour in the corner of this page to make a small triangle, and then over here I'm going to make two big triangles. This bird is going to be very colourful. How many circles can you count? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many triangles can you count? 1, 2, 3. Time to cut the shapes out. Remember to be careful when using your scissors. I forgot to make the bird's feet. I'm going to make two squares to do this. One, two. Now we can start making the bird. We just need some glue. The big circle is going to be the bird's body. This smaller circle is going to be the bird's head. I'm going to stick it on top like that. And now the triangles are going to be the bird's wings. One on this side. And one on that side. Let's put his eyes on. Two small circles. And a little triangle for his beak. Finally, 1, 2 squares for his feet. Now it's your turn. Can you make some different shapes and make your own bird at home? I'd love to see, so make sure you put your pictures on Xat.